Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do a little craft with me. I wanted to make some cards with you guys. I had already pre-cut these so that this video wouldn't be so long, but I wanted to play with this hooray set. I got this in a bundle from scrapbook.com. I'll have it linked down below. It was on a special. I think it was like $24.99, something around that area. And I had to have it because of this little ice cream cone and this, I love this arch. And it was a really cute set. So there's a coordinating die set to it. And then I also use this. It has been my favorite die set. It is the Sweetest frames from the Greetery. I will have all this stuff linked down below in case you guys are interested. If you don't see it down below, just let me know and I will be sure to put it if I forget, okay? But I am using these bases that I got from the Paper Studio. It was clearance for $1.99 some months ago. And so I've been using that for my card bases. And did I share with you guys how cute these little... I used Spun Sugar, Kish Flamingo, Worn Lipstick. And then for the browns, I use these two oxides. Antique Linen for the lighter, and then Tea Dye for the darker brown. So I cut out a bunch of those, and I stamped some of these, but I need to bust out my Scrap Diva Designs arch. She has a nested arch set that is gonna work perfect with this. So I have to remember to link that down below. And then for Scrap Diva Designs, guys, I do have a code, which is Poochie10, that will save you 10% off your entire purchase, okay? So I have to make another card using those. But I went ahead and I stamped this, you guys. Look at how cute. I just like randomly stamped things and I made a mistake. Like right here, I shouldn't have put this one. And then I ended up adding, like filling in some spaces in some parts. But I love the way it came out. And I went ahead and I stamped out the hooray. And it doesn't come with the layering piece. So I just kind of like turned this paper over. And I lined this up like so, and I just kind of outlined how thick I wanted the border to be, and I cut it and flipped it over, okay? So I put this on here like this, and then I kind of stamped around, you know, where I was like missing spots and stuff. So I think I want to put it like this. Let's go ahead and use our foam tape. And this foam tape is from scrapbook.com as well. I'm going to link it in case you guys are interested. I love this foam tape. I especially love the 1/8 of an inch. And I think I'm going to put this on foam. I had to bust out this die set. You know, when you're just like, you know, I have a lot of things that I have to still work on. A lot of things that I have worked on, I haven't shared yet. But I just kind of wanted to just play around, and I wanted to play with that ice cream stamp. So let's go ahead. And actually, before I do this, let me get my white gel pen because I do want to add some highlights. So I'm gonna add some white highlights using my gel pen. I just wanna make this stand out even more. And I'm just gonna do that all along these letters. And then I wanted to add some bling to these as well. Okay, and then one here. Yeah, I like that. And then I probably want to add some white on that pink background as well. So this will be our first card. I love the ice cream cones. They're so cute. I really want to create a background with the ice cream cones. And I love the way that it turned out. Let's grab our glue. You guys know I'm kind of fairly new to card making. So when you're card making, are you supposed to go like really dimensional, or are you supposed to chill on the dimension? Because I kind of wanted to add another layer of dimension. Like, what are the rules? Are there rules? I'm gonna go like right there. I think that's good. I should have glued this down first and then added the foam. But whatever, we're here. And I'm just gonna go, I forgot I used that basil cardstock, so it's textured. But I'm just gonna do this to add another fun aspect to it. I'm just gonna go all the way around. I think that'll be fun. Okay, so there goes our first card. And then for our second card, I went ahead and I cut a layering piece here. And I'm gonna go ahead and corner around these because I think it's gonna look cute. Why do I not know how to use this corner rounder? I don't think I'm sticking it in right, guys. Okay, that was better. Just gotta stick that corner in there really good. So I did the same thing. I just stamped and die cut a bunch of those ice creams. And so this is gonna be my base piece. Let me try to fix this little corner right here because it's ugly. Oh. It's gonna have to stay like that. Okay, so let's glue that down. I'm gonna go with that. Let me get my little bone folder. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with these two pieces. This is from that greetery set, the sweetest frame. And I use the two smaller ones. I'm obsessed with this die set, you guys. It is definitely a must-have if you don't have it. So I'm gonna glue this one down, and then I'm gonna put the other one on foam. So let me try to line this up. And I use white glitter paper. And then this is Rosie Studio. The Primavera Collection. So let's cut some foam. And we don't need much. I've been having lots of fun using cards, you guys, making cards. I'm just gonna go like that. Okay, and I'm gonna put some extra glue because of that glitter paper. Try to line that up. Oh, I forgot I was supposed to put glue. And then I'm gonna go ahead and let me see where I wanted this. Let's just glue this down. It's your day. And then our ice cream cone. Up there. And then I'm gonna stick a little bowl. Let me put my glue gun to heat up. But I wanna put the bowl there and then put a couple little jewels. Isn't that cute? So this is the same exact one. And we're gonna put it together exactly the same. Let me pause so that the video is not too long. All right, guys, so here goes our cards. Look at how cute they came out. So it's the same thing, just different, you know, color variation. So cute. And then the hooray one, I really like this one. And then I wanted to use these little jewels, guys. I got these at Dollar Tree. I have to go back and get 5 more packs because I didn't realize how beautiful these gems are. There's actually these really cute little iridescent ones. And then look at the bows. There's actually bows in here. So let's go ahead and use some. And I want to use these little clear ones. And I'm just going to do little random. I don't know. I'm just going to do that. These are so cute. You have to run to Dollar Tree and grab them. I'm going to link down below all the new free gifts that are available right now at scrapbook.com as well, because there's a lot of them, guys. I've been getting in trouble. I have already placed 2 orders within a week, which is terrible. But there were some things that I had to have, and the free gifts were giving, so I had to get them. I don't know. I feel like I need to put more. I'm just going to put another one there. Ooh. I need these to turn around. So just a little something extra. Isn't that cute? Where are we gonna put these? I'm gonna put these in these little blank spaces. I'm getting so many air bubbles. And then one right there. Okay. Let's try to flip these around. There we go. You can use your diamond dots. I actually ordered these beautiful new sequins from scrapbook.com, and I can't wait to share them with you guys and use them. But aren't these cute for Dollar Tree, guys? Oh my goodness. Okay. One right there, and then one right here. Come on. There we go. Did I put one there? Yes. That one's not really blinging like the other one, so that's okay. But isn't that cute? Just a little something extra. And that is it for this video, you guys. I'll bling the other one off camera. But I love the way these turned out. I like to leave mine blank in the inside, but you definitely can, you know, even take one of these and stick it in there and write your message. That would be really cute. You can do the happy birthday to you, you know, whatever. But I'm gonna leave these blank for now. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these. I'll have everything listed down below if you're interested. Again, if I forget anything, just remind me. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.